In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location link in a Canva invitation card. Let's get started by opening Canva in your browser or app and signing into your account. Once you're in, go to your home page and either create a new invitation design or open an existing one you'd like to edit. If you're starting from scratch, you can search for invitation and pick a template that fits your event, like a birthday, wedding, or business event. Give it a moment to load so you see the full editing workspace. With your invitation open on the canvas, look for the area where you want the location to appear. This is usually near the event details, like the date and time. If there isn't already a text box for the venue, go to the text tools and add a new text box. Type something like location or venue, followed by a short label such as tap here for directions, or simply the venue name. Now, you'll need the actual location link. In a separate tab, open your preferred Maps app, such as Google Maps or Apple Maps, and search for your event venue. When you see the correct place, use the share option and copy the link provided. Make sure it opens the exact location you want guests to see, then come back to Canva. Next, highlight the part of the text you want to be clickable. For example, the words View Location or the venue name. Look at the top toolbar in Canva for the link icon. Click it. Then paste the map link you just copied into the field that appears and apply or confirm it. The text won't look dramatically different, but it will now function as a hyperlink in the digital version of your invitation. It's a good idea to test this before you share it with anyone. Use Canva's preview option to see how the invitation will look, and if possible, download it as a PDF or view it in presentation or website mode. Click on the location text to confirm that it opens your Maps link in a new tab or app. Once you're happy with how it works, you can finalize your invitation. Download it in a format that supports links, such as PDF Standard or PDF Print, or share it directly from Canva via email or a shareable link. When your guests open the digital invitation, they'll be able to tap the location text and instantly get directions to your event.